Hey everyone, it's Alyssa with Flagship Property Management. Today we're at 808 Megan Drive in Greenville, North Carolina. I think we're technically on the outskirts out here in Winterville, but as you can see, this is a super quiet neighborhood in here. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Really gorgeous homes in here. So let's go take a look. We have a 4-bedroom home here. This house does have a bonus room. Straight ahead we have our living room, and right to our left we have our dining room. I'm going to show you guys these ceilings. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Okay, as we continue around here, we are in our living room. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And over here, I'm going to show you, we have our first full bathroom. The natural light in here is gorgeous, and you do have a linen closet to the left over there. And this is a 1-sink vanity. Let's continue into our master suite. This master suite is huge, and I love these ceilings once again. Really nice in here, really great size, guys. I'm gonna whip around for you. Beautiful master. Inside here we have a stand-up shower, a double sink vanity, a large jacuzzi tub, a private toilet, and voila, a massive walk-in closet. Tons of room for everything, guys. Again, you got a private toilet in there, double sink vanity. Really gorgeous, guys. Also on our first floor, we have a guest bedroom. Again, really great natural light in here. Really great size. You got a big closet in here. Perfect for a guest. As we head back into our living room, guys, you guys can see the open concept. I'll give you a view of the front door that we came in. There's the dining room table. Really, really open in here. Check out this beautiful fireplace. And I love these arches. Before we head into our kitchen, we are gonna head outside. We have a covered patio out here with a ceiling fan up there. Really beautiful out here, guys. Let's head back inside. All right, so as you do see, we got a kitchen nook in here, plenty of room. We got a kitchen island. Really beautiful kitchen, guys. Check out these countertops and these cabinets with all of these stainless steel appliances. Absolutely gorgeous. In here we do have a washer and dryer. They are running right now. They will not be here, but plenty of storage out here. Speaking of storage, we do have a garage out here. Plenty and plenty of room for your cars and goodies you might have. I know y'all have been patiently waiting, so let's go see the third full bathroom and 2 more bedrooms. So as we head upstairs, I did mention a bonus room, and when I said bonus, I really did mean bonus. Check out this bonus room, guys. Absolutely massive in here. We got a closet. This could be a bedroom if you are looking to make it 4 bedrooms. 5 bedrooms, excuse me. Plenty and plenty of room in here, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. These rooms even have these super cute pocket doors. I absolutely love them. And in here we do have a full bath with a double vanity. Up here for the other 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3 that we're seeing. And we got bedroom number 4 up here. Very nice out in here, guys. This bedroom also has a massive closet back here. I wish I had a closet like this. I think we all do. Unless you already have a big closet. Then you don't got a dream like me. And out here, guys, we do have attic storage space. So give us a call at 252-364-4944 and apply online at flagshiprealproperty.com. Thanks, guys.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiprealproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.